Chapter 11 The Cardiovascular System. The cardiovascular system. A closed system of the heart and blood vessels. Heart pumps blood. Blood vessels circulate to all parts of body. Deliver oxygens and nutrients and to remove carbon dioxide and waste products. The heart size of fist in thorax between lungs. Pointed apex toward left tip. Size of fist, heart coverings and wall layers. Pericardium, double serous membrane. Visceral, next to heart. Parietal, outside layer. Serous fluid fills space between the layers. 3 layers. 1. Epicardium outside. Parietal pericardium. Connective tissue. 2. Myocardium middle. Mostly cardiac muscle. 3. Endocardium, inner. Endothelium. External heart anatomy. Figure 11.2a. The heart chambers right and left act as separate pumps for chambers. 2 atria, receiving. Right atrium. Left atrium. 2 ventricles, discharging. Right ventricle. Left ventricle. The heart valves allow blood to flow in only one direction. 4 valves. 2 atrioventricular valves, between atria and ventricles. Bicuspid valve, left. Tricuspid valve, right. 2 semilunar valves, between ventricle and artery. Pulmonary semilunar valve. Aortic semilunar valve. Held in place by chordae tendineae, heart strings. Operation of heart valves. The heart, associated great vessels. Aorta, leaves left ventricle. Pulmonary arteries, leave right ventricle. Vena cava, enters right atrium. Pulmonary veins, 4, enter left atrium. Coronary circulation. Blood in heart doesn't nourish the heart. Heart's nourishing circulatory system. Coronary arteries. Cardiac veins. Blood empties into the right atrium via the coronary sinus. The heart conduction system. Intrinsic conduction system, nodal system. Heart muscle cells contract, without nerve impulses, in a regular, continuous way. Sinoatrial node, pacemaker initiates contraction. Sequential stimulation occurs at other autorhythmic cells. Atrioventricular node. Atrioventricular bundle. Bundle branches. Purkinje fibers. The heart, cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle, events of one heartbeat. Terms: systole equals contraction, diastole equals relaxation. Atria contract simultaneously. Atria relax, then ventricles contract. The heart, cardiac output. Cardiac output, CO. Amount of blood pumped by each side of the heart in 1 minute. CO equals, heart rate, HR, x, stroke volume, SV. Stroke volume, SV. Volume of blood pumped by each ventricle in one contraction, cardiac output regulation. The heart, regulation of heart rate. Stroke volume usually remains relatively constant. Starling's law of the heart: the more that the cardiac muscle is stretched, the stronger the contraction. Changing heart rate is the most common way to change cardiac output.